Hi everyone and welcome back. I recorded it for the second time again because this damn microphone was not working for me. Meanwhile, I wanted to thank you for all the support you are giving me. We've almost reached 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. I didn't expect it. Thank you so much. So I will try to always bring you better content on this channel. Nothing, we redo this video again. I wanted to shed some general light because many here are a bit lost. I understand you because I've been there too. Years ago, here most people in such situations lose money for many reasons. The main one is because he has no patience. Patience and discipline and the key to long-term success in this job. I assure you that being a trader is one of the most difficult and complex jobs in the world. Making money with one click is really difficult. Everyone's dream, but few can do it. It took me many years to become profitable. It's a bit profitable. It took me about more than 13 to 15 years. I've been on the charts for over 15 years. And after many failures, liquidation, money losses, well, I could say I found my strategy because everyone has their own that suits them. You have to create your own style, merge many trading strategies you like, put them together, backtest it and see if you're profitable. Without valid backtesting, you will never become profitable. Trading is not gambling, it's not a casino, it's a real job. Work analysis, fundamental general analysis, chart analysis, volume analysis. So put aside dreams and work hard if you want to do this job. I simply wanted to say here why I've recommended on Twitter several times to being patient to do some trading. A simple strategy. What does trading mean? Sorry, trading means do day trading, take quick profits. 1 hour, 2 hours. Yesterday I made 3 to 4 trades on altcoins. I ended the day in a big profit. I'm happy. I went to sleep. Nobody bothered me at all. I woke up this morning and did some trading again. Today I did almost nothing. I made a trade on DOT that I closed at break-even. I didn't touch anything else. Now I'm spot on LRC. It simply removes me. I care a little because Bitcoin, if we look at it here, has a pre-section. Insignificant. In fact, I also wrote a tweet where I want to be honest with you. No one knows the next move that Bitcoin will make, and it's like that 100%. So nobody comes to tell me about the movement that will be afterwards, because it's a mockery. They are mocking you. I assure you it's like this. So how can you behave here? Simply by operating with triggers, looking at the levels I had expressed to you. In my opinion, this was a great resistance where it would not have been broken. In fact, this was the case, the first trigger you can find. Or a breakout closure 1 hour, 4 hours above 2. 3 candles, you position yourself long stop above. Everything short, breakout, we consolidate, loss of the range again, retest, stop run. I already taught you last time. Stop run, stop run. Stop at 1. Stop run. I want to be repetitive. Stop run. These are the stop run. You position yourself here, shop. A retest of this level. Boom to go short. Stop here above. Simply what you need to do is find the simple invalidations. If you position yourself here, what are you positioning for? Either you put a short stop or you put a 5 to 6% stop on Bitcoin. Crazy folks. Purely I wouldn't go long, but it doesn't make much sense. Wait, what are you waiting for? Let's go get liquidity. Where do we find liquidity? We find it now. I'll show you that I have already drawn the chart. Let's see. Second only if I can find it. Here it is. These are from the prior video, so we'll leave it. The areas that interest me, the areas that interest me are two. The first, 39.2, 38.5, where I would position my eye there. With the stop under the open Montre simply under 37.5. Or cut the position shorter at 38.5 and then pick it up lower, but the triggers are always this. Wait for the trigger, for example, here. A nice trigger could also be, or you position yourself here at the spike. Try a stop down here, or else if it breaks this trend line, do like... so it recovers the trend line. This is a valid trigger. A wolf that I taught you, you can put it as you wish. Wolf, deviation, hyper realistic. After a long pause, let's go long down here and take the TP there. These are the ones you need to see and find. Forget about the numbers, forget about the noise, forget about what 10k, 50k tells you. All nonsense, all bullshit that makes you lose focus on trading. That's how I operate. I have always told you to treat your money with gloves. Please. What you should always do is not lose. You lose everything in a second. Making a profit takes time, I assure you. That's how trading is. Let's move on. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum, just now everyone was bullish. We were going to 2008, 3000, 2007. No, Ethereum modestly. I mean, looking at the chart, simply what would I do? Doing two things where I would position myself long, but I would position myself long in this area. This area here. Here I would position myself long here 2100, 2100, Europe 40. This is the area that interests me. The range that interests me. Here's the stop, down here. Stop at the 1900. If we go to get on the lower frames here, we can see that it is now doing a range. Okay, where are we setting this range? Perfectly. Note it down for the Monday range, which would be this. Okay, let's do a bit of cleaning. Let's do this so we get everything nice and tidy. Okay, let's remove this. So here, how can you behave? Now we are close to the 0.5 support or the World Cup, so you can scalp twice. Short term, or it goes down here. Okay, they're making you spike with a stop run, so then it recovers the price you position here. 25526, and you go to get TP up here 1 and 2 is if not higher, another trigger. Okay, goes to retest here up, right, can do a 3 tap 1. Deviation, retest, go short, and we go down. What I would like most is to position myself long on the medium term. So with a slightly wider stop. It's short of liquidity. It recovers down here. The range, this range here, we position long, bam, expansion up to 2007, 2008. This is what I'd like to see. Don't set limits for yourselves. In the operations here, you can perform 4 operations on a single chart. So don't set yourself any long short limits. I don't give a damn about the price. Whatever the market offers me is fine, but what I do is to find the invalidation perfect for losing less. I'm here, I don't care, I'm not operating, I don't feel like it. Because my stop is too wide, the pre-section is dirty, Bitcoin doesn't have a clear direction. So what do? The best strategy is to have no position. Sometimes not having a position is the best strategy. I would get there in time, I would understand these things over time, but I want to warn you. Maybe with my help I would understand it sooner. Altcoin. Here I am not much interested, I always have my long-term positions, you know, 3 to 4. But last time I told you I took profit on most of my speculative spot. leaving a bag of 20-30%. You already know where I'm going to add. I've told you, check out the previous videos. We don't repeat ourselves. What you can do here is the trading, strategies, triggers, aspects, positions, tight stop. Ethereum is still on the rise, yes. If a candle closes below 1900, it's very bearish, but above 1900 it's always bullish. We have liquidity 2007, 2008. For Ethereum, this is the liquidity zone to go for. So two key levels are 1 to 1900. 2008, this is the super range of Ethereum moment if it breaks from one side or the other. It gives us the direction, but let's forget. These are numbers, we will see more. Go ahead. Interesting altcoins. Take advantage of triggers if you want to operate. I gave you an example on Access on Twitter. This is the chart from before. I drew it for you earlier, where I couldn't record the audio. An altcoin strategy you can find. Okay, go for them on the ranch, as I told you. This would be the lesson. And this, right? Very clear, very simple. What did he go and do? Nothing. He went and waited for a detour down here to pick up liquidity. Stop, run. I've already taught you like this. What you do, you position yourself here at the retest to go and get these TP levels. 1 and 2. So I could position you at the retest of the devotion retest liquidity recovery. It went to fetch the water. Your position, I don't recover the level. I would position myself short, but I wouldn't do it at the moment because Bitcoin can approach support level. On the contrary, it goes up here. Okay, it diverts you. You position yourself to retest here to take a shot. After a deviation, you finish. Generally, as you've seen on the first pullbacks. This is what you need to do. This is what you need to find. Nothing complex. Then there are many other strategies to get levels and much more, but we will see this in another video. Now here I wanted to clarify why I said the tweet this morning that I wrote to everyone. If you do not follow me, make it go up. Twitter, if you want to follow me, you can. See you in the next episode. You can follow me. I wrote it right here that everyone says the movement that will happen, let it go, nobody knows it. Because the volume is clear. Then there will be, the volumes will be low in the next 3-4 days. Be careful. Muito autodidatta vit. Don't let yourself be liquidated, it makes no sense. Look for the easiest setups. If you can't find them, stay out of it. I have nothing more to teach you. This is the best lesson I can give you. Other things I like, but I like them all. Nobody, I'm looking for the triggers, the long-term setups. And here little interests me, except those 2 or 3 that, you know, I have. Lars is one of the few I like. If the 2-day DAF closes above this box, buy with the stop. I don't know, below it's 0.30, 0.29.5. I like the RC because Mina moved very well. So Mina, if you want to retest $1, buy it $0.90 with a stop under 0.80. This is what you can do. Go check the charts levels though. Always remember to watch Bitcoin. If you trade in altcoin, do scalp. Okay, daily scalp, take profit this morning. I did a bonk trade, Sky also. Mesad made a trade, took profit. I don't give a damn if it goes to $1 or $2, I don't care. I simply want to take profit here. I took the stop in profit. I made a 10% profit. The lever will have been a 100% bonk. I sold it. This morning was great. The others, no. I'm sure many there didn't sell because they were in fear of missing out, thinking that Bitcoin was going to $48,000. No, Bitcoin didn't go to $48,000. That's it, guys. I'm done. And I thank you. If we get to 15,000 subscribers, I will give you a gift. I'll try to illustrate the strategy with Fibonacci and demand to you. I will still bring a lot of content, and I wish you Happy New Year, happy end of the year to everyone. To you and your families, a hug to everyone, and thank you for the support.